Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your speaker Philips EverPlay. And on the right side of your speaker we have all controls, and firstly we need to turn on it, turn on the speaker, so press and hold power button at the middle. Here we go. Once you see the LED light, meaning that you turn on it. Now, if you see that the LED light blinking blue, it means that it's entered to prank mode automatically. But if you want to enter to prank mode manually, you need to press and hold at the Bluetooth button, what located near to the power button at the right side, and you just press and hold on it. Now we hear a sound, it means that I just entered to prank mode. And we have it at the device list, so we did it. Now we can easily connect the speaker to the phone or to another device. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!